Crypto Frog in the area. Crypto Frog is with Ampleforth. Almost a week of roughly 10% positive rebases, baby. And there'll be more to come. It's been quite a wild ride since I posted my first AMPL video around a week and a half ago now. Since then, a lot has been happening. As I mentioned, the FOMO has started to kick in. We are now at over $61.5 million market cap as of the time of making this video. Ooh, baby! The frog is still sitting happily in the geyser, soaking up the free AMPL and watching my multiplier tick up every few days. The Ampleforth liquidity pool is now also numero uno on Uniswap, smashing well through the $6.5 million liquidity milestone. Astonishing. Congratulations to the AMPL team. You are legends. At the time of the launch of the Geyser, AMPL was 42nd. It now accounts for more than 10% of all liquidity on Uniswap. Let that sink in. If you want to show your support for this channel, all I ask is a simple click of the subscribe button. Don't smash it like other YouTubers suggest you do. Also, thumbs up and shares are muchos aprecione. Sharing this video with everyone you like, cause if you do so, you are also gonna make them rich. Also, use my referral links to sign up to any of the exchanges you might have yet to try. No shady ones are listed, all gravy. And disclaimer, I have a big bag of AMPL. You knew that by now. I don't plan on selling anytime soon. I wasn't paid to make this, and this isn't financial advice. Housekeeping, finito. This is now my fourth video on Ampleforth. I feel no need to show you any more of the website. You can look at my lovely new logo that I bought. I was thinking about whether I should make this because I don't want to become a kind of one-trick pony, but nothing is exciting me as much as Ampleforth at the moment, so I feel I wouldn't be able to put the required enthusiasm in if I talked about another crypto or DeFi project. You'd hear the lack of enthusiasm seeping through my pores instead of the usual alcohol. This isn't a knock on other projects, it's more an indication of how excited I am about AMPL. It's very hard to succinctly sum up why Ampleforth is such a game changer. Game, meet changer, changer, meet game, and a literal money printing machine, all while being a 100% legit project. What they have designed is remarkable, and pennies are starting to drop left and right, yo. AMPL is sound like Bitcoin and elastic like fiat, making it the first sound money with elastic supply on top of that. Even now, the most undervalued DeFi project out there. You can quote me on that. When the normies realize it, you are not gonna know what hit you. Watching the fudders come out of their hole is funny though, I must say. Their attempts show a basic misunderstanding of the project, so they can all be discounted. Go home, bro. You've had enough today. Remember, all coins at the outset were slammed by fudders. Nothing is immune. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, I could go on. Oi fudders, watch this. Watch my other AMPL videos and GTFO. The FUD attempts are clearly reverse FUD. Whales want cheaper prices, but they are bang out of luck, yo. AMPL is going so much higher. Ampleforth is in full-on market cap discovery mode. We don't call it price discovery mode here, ladies and gentlemen, mateys and chicas. And we'll continue making new highs as AMPL is going to be an integral part of DeFi. In fact, it is coming directly at stable coins like USDC and USDT. USDT, I should point out, is number 3 in terms of market capitalization at close to 10 billion US dollars. It is going to be awesome to see some fresh faces on the top 25 crypto coins by market cap. Looking at most of the current bunch kind of gives me a migraine. 80%, maybe more, are just flat out garbage. surge. AMPL rebasing. More demand equals positive rebase equals more supply. Less demand equals negative rebase equals less supply. Works as perfectly as money and adjusts according to demand. You can either split 50-50 with ETH in the Giza. That is my course of action, although I'm planning to add some AMPL separately soon because, I like to diversify my AMPL. My strategy is just to buy and hold, simple, and I think this is the best approach to take. Thing to keep in mind, AMPL's market cap is lower, a lot lower than MakerDAO, Comp, BAL, BNT, and SNX. But the great thing about it can scoot right in and be part of all of them while it eats them from within like a glorious parasite. But, friends, our parasite. AMPL is going to get even more interesting soon when it gets listed on more exchanges. Not that I really give a flying feces about that. I'm as happy as a pig in shit. AMPL will be used as the backbone of DeFi. AMPL will replace stable coins later down the road. Look at the market for USDC and Tether. AMPL will likely absorb a large amount of stable coin market caps because this is the first one to eliminate the dual token BS, and insane X's from here is most definitely possible and very likely. AMPL is here to take crypto off the gold standard, the low liquidity model, stable coins backed by the greenback. It's going to do that because AMPL is prime collateral crypto real estate for DeFi. Why? Because it's scalable, permissionless, capital efficient, composable, and uncorrelated to Bitcoin. A better Bitcoin. Boom! It will certainly be adopted by all the big DeFi players in the business and those coming in the future. Back to the future, yo. AMPL is like finding the sports almanac like Marty McFly did. Where's my flying car, yo? As Ampleforth CTO Brandon Isles said recently, and I'll quote him, other stable coins are derivative and collateralized against debt. AMPL is a primitive like Bitcoin and ETH, aka zero collateral. AMPL isn't a stable coin and won't replace stable coins. I think it will, yo. It will be used for collateral for stable coins. In other words, look out, a new player is in town. And he's looking fresh, and he's got his eyes on your girlfriends, and he makes them rather weak around the knees. And there's nothing you can do about it. The Ampleforth team's connections. This is often overlooked as well. They are very strong. Brian Armstrong, he is the CEO of Coinbase. He is a major investor in AMPL, Ampleforth, and he was college friends with one of Ampleforth's main developers, and they are good buddies to this day. Mr. Armstrong put in millions of dollars into Ampleforth. If he believes in the project, he put millions of dollars in, he'll want to get it listed on his site. Michael Arrington, he of XRP fame, is also invested. The key to Ampleforth is liquidity. It's why the US left the gold standard all those years ago. AMPL provides the liquidity crypto and DeFi have been crying out for. Learning more and more about AMPL, you go down a rabbit hole, seemingly never-ending. Read the Ampleforth Red Book. You can find it on the website. Once you are done, your enlightenment will be complete. AMPL isn't just coming to make up the numbers, to lurk in the top 50 market caps. It's probably going to be the top market cap in the space of 18 months to 2 years. Minimum. Number 3. Dislodging Tether. Need I? Crypto Frog. Say more. I love you guys so much. I'm so close to 2,000 subscribers. If I can hit that soon, that would be absolutely baller. I might start doing some live streaming then, because I haven't tried yet and I really want to give it a go, yo. And we can have an interactive experience. Just a reminder that none of this in the video is financial advice. You make your own mind up. Although this is called Ampleforth, the FOMO edition. No financial advice. Click subscribe, click subscribe, click subscribe. Thumbs up and share. Absolute legends, you know it, you are the best. Until we meet again, it won't be long. New crypto vids all the time. Peace. Boom. Ah.